Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful double border design sarees in a very elegant color combinations. Here we have a mustard yellow color saree with beautiful work. Golden zari is used here completely for the zari part. You can see the mustard yellow saree with beautiful square shaped butta design that is done using golden zari. We have dual color zari borders. One is the pallu color, another one is a zari, golden zari border it is. And we have a very contrast red pallu having big floral design, buttas weaving that is done using golden zari again with same pallu color, plain blouse piece. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful concept sarees in an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very beautiful deep green shade, almost a forest green it is, dark and beautiful green saree with golden zari work buttas. The saree here is in beautiful golden zari and it is a circle pattern. Inside the circle you can see geometric pattern at the 4 divisions, very elegant floral and checks pattern inside the buttas, finely crafted, very elegant design with 2 borders. The pallu color border as well as a deep brown color border and a golden zari border is given in the saree in both sides with the contrast pallu. Here we have a deep Rani pink shade color pallu with big butta design done using golden zari and same pallu color blouse piece is given. Combination is beautiful bright shade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, beautiful gold zari work double border saree collection, very excellent work and the color of the saree here is black, shade black color, beautiful golden zari buttas. The zari here is antique finish golden zari. You can see the design very visible and beautiful on this black base color with dual border. One is golden zari border, the other one is a beautiful maroon and brown mixed shade color border. Very elegantly it's been done with a contrast blouse piece and pallu. Here we have red and pink mixed shade color pallu with beautiful big design motif design pallu, completely done using golden zari with a plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, majestic black with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees in a rich golden zari work. Here the antique finish golden zari is used because of the darker shade color. Really beautiful saree here, dark blue. It is almost a navy blue shade with very elegant buttas. The buttas are really visible on this color, antique zari, antique golden zari used. And you can see the butta design, it's floral plus checks pattern in a rounder shaped buttas and we have dual color border. One is a deep maroon color, another one is a golden zari border and we have a contrast Rani pink shade, it's almost a red and pink mixed color shade pallu. Pallu is having very elegant golden zari work, big buttas design and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, a really attractive dark shade combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful sarees in a different color combinations. Here we have a very beautiful green shade color saree. It's a radiant light green color with mild golden tinge. Sarees having golden zari work. The buttas are in golden zari here. Round shaped buttas, a very beautiful geometric pattern with floral design as well as checks pattern inside it. Golden zari is looking beautiful with a dual color border, orange color, rust color border as well as a golden zari border attached in both sides of the saree. Beautiful weaving and we have a contrast Rani pink shade pallu. Pallu is also having grand work, a big butta design and we also have plain blouse piece in same color combination. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design sarees here with golden zari work. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree, elegant light lavender, it's a pastel lavender color with golden zari work. We have a beautiful golden zari work done in a circle pattern which is in beautiful design. You can see 4 splitting inside it, floral as well as checks pattern inside the butta. Finely done one with a mango yellow light peach mixed color border and one side we also have a golden zari border. Both sides the pallu, the border design comes in this saree. Very elegant one with the contrast mango yellow shade pallu. Pallu is having big design which is done using golden zari with plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Combination is very different, lavender with yellow and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful sarees, excellent combination colors. Here we have a golden zari work. The saree here is a goldish mustard yellow color. You can see the buttas. It's a golden zari, beautiful round shaped buttas in a floral pattern inside. Elegantly it's crafted, and we have dual borders as well. You can see orange border as well as a golden zari border. Both sides of the saree have the borders, and we have a beautiful red and orange mixed shade color pallu. And having a beautiful design too. It's a big buttas in the pallu using golden zari with plain blouse piece in the same pallu color. The combination is very beautiful, a traditional combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with very beautiful classy combination here. Pista green, light green color pallu with very elegant pallu design, completely gold jari used for the pallu design weaving, and we have same color blouse piece, a pastel shade. Complete saree have a small 1 inch jari border, that is gold jari border all over, and here we have a very beautiful half white mixed with mild gold color to get a goldish half white body color, pastel shade, the white lovers. And you can see the gold jari and copper jari buttas, alternatively gold and copper used for butta weaving. Buttas are in 3D type, triangle shape work. Very pretty saree and a beautiful goldish venpattu with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a deep blue color pallu with gold jari work. Very elegant, simple work with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1 inch jari border done using gold jari. And here we have a beautiful creamy tussar color, tussar half white with beautiful silver and gold jari worked buttas. Buttas are very beautiful. Excellent weaving. The color combo is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, and beautiful and alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, deep blue color, something between the royal blue and navy blue color, and we have a very beautiful gold jari work in the pallu. The complete saree have a thin border, 1 inch jari border, and that is there in the blouse piece as well. Blouse is in pallu color, and we have a light radiant green color, almost neon green color saree, very different color with copper and gold jari finish buttas. Buttas are very different. The jari border adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a beautiful dual border design sarees with the golden zari work and a contrast pallu. Here we have a beautiful dark green color pallu, very elegant big motif design in the pallu design, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with one side, both sides we have the golden zari weaving borders. The saree is in a beautiful brown and maroon mixed shade, almost in dark maroon color with very elegant square shaped buttas, and we also have a dual border, one in the mixed color of pallu and body, and the other one is the golden zari border. Beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, a very beautiful color combination, different combo here, a pista green and light olive green mixed color with beautiful gold jari work, and we have the same color pallu, mild yellow tinge which is very beautiful, a pastel color, and here we have the body in a very different color again, green and brown mixed color, green in a different shade. You can see the buttas are done using gold and silver jari alternatively. The gold jari border in both sides, 1 inch, which is making the saree really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, thin border collection with very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a light pista green color pallu, very elegant design in the pallu, closely weaved gold jari work, and we have same color blouse piece. The whole saree and the pallu have a ½ inch zari border that is done using gold jari again, and here we have a very different green saree with silver and gold jari work buttas, beautifully done Two different shades of green in the saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees with the golden zari work. Contrast pallu. Here we have a mango yellow color pallu with big motif design weaving, golden zari weaving in the pallu, grand one with plain blouse piece in pallu color, and we have a golden zari running in the blouse piece as well, which can be used for the sleeves. And the body color is a light green here, almost a pista green shade with mild yellow tinge, and we have very elegant circle shaped buttas. The butta is very beautifully done, that it have floral as well as geometric pattern inside. And we have a dual color border, one in pallu color and we have one in zari. Very elegant one with authentic silk. The shade is very contrast. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. A very elegant green pallu here, dark green color with big motif design pallu, and it is done using golden zari. Pallu color plain blouse piece with the golden zari borders in the blouse piece also. The saree color is a beautiful dark shade, purple mixed with black to get a beautiful tone it is. Almost an agapalam, the jamun fruit color with square shaped buttas, and we also have dual borders in the saree. Golden zari border as well as a green border is in the saree. Very elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. A very elegant and contrast pallu. Here we have a mango yellow pallu with beautiful big motif design in the pallu. The pallu color is rare and beautiful color. You can see same color blouse piece with the golden zari work borders. The saree is a bright, radiant light green color, almost a shade of parrot green, light parrot green color with circle shaped motifs. The motifs are done in beautiful way that it has both floral as well as geometric pattern. And we have a dual color border, one in pallu color and one in the golden zari border. Very elegant contrast combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color pallu with gold jari work, closely weaved grand pallu. Same color blouse piece with thin border, a half-inch zari border all over the saree in gold jari. And we have a beautiful half-white color, almost a duster color, mild gold tinge half-white color. And you can see the buttas are in silver and gold alternatively. Very beautifully it's been done with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a very beautiful dual border design saree here with very elegant golden zari work. The pallu is a green here, dark green color with big motif designs in the pallu, rich pallu with the golden zari work, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with the borders. The saree is in beautiful Rani pink shade, beautiful color, mild gold shade on the pink, and we have the golden zari buttas, square shaped buttas, very elegantly crafted with dual border, golden zari border as well as a green border given in the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double border design, beautiful gold zari work sarees here. The contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a beautiful green, a dark green color pallu with very big motif design. Golden zari used for the weaving, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with the borders. The saree is in beautiful Rani pink color. Very elegant design and color. Round shaped buttas for the body buttas, and it is golden zari again. Dual color borders, one is golden zari, another one is a mix of the pallu and body color. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, thin border collection. An alluring combination, excellent color sarees. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, something between a navy blue and royal blue color with a gold jari design. Elegant one with same color blouse piece. In the whole saree, the blouse piece also have a thin 1-inch jari border, gold jari border. And here we have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color body with silver and gold jari buttas. Beautiful design, 3D type triangle design, excellently weaved sarees with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, border and butta collection. The very elegant square shaped buttas, completely gold zari is used for weaving here. Dark green color pallu with very big design in pallu, beautiful and excellent new launch with a pallu color blouse piece. Beautifully it is also done with the borders, and we have a dark brown color. It's almost one shade lesser than the maroon. Beautiful brown it is with the square shaped buttas. The buttas are beautifully done in a kanji pattern. Excellent weaving with green border as well as a thin gold zari border. Excellent design, beautiful color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful collection, border and butta design in a very elegant combination colors. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu, big butta design in the pallu, very elegant gold zari work, and the design is given in a mango shape, floral, excellent green shade color, and same green is the blouse piece with the zari borders next to the border line. And here we have a very beautiful magenta pink saree, excellent butta design, square shape, and inside the details you can see it's a horizontally done, excellent kanji type butta design with green borders as well as a gold zari border. Beautiful combination, traditional and ever lovable combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, border and butta collection, a small border, elegant 1-inch border sarees in a vibrant combination colors, a pista green color pallu with elegant work, completely gold zari used here with a plain blouse piece, 1-inch border again. The saree is a pastel shade, almost a beige color, excellent mild brown mix half white also we can call, pastel shade. Buttas are in gold and silver zari alternatively. The gold and copper zari, original copper zari used here. Excellent one. 3D type triangle design, very beautifully done with a 1-inch border in both sides. That is a gold zari border. An excellent pastel saree with authentic silk mark.